Dear classmates and tutor, I hope you're doing well. My name is Mario Pizarro, and I'm a student from Licenciatura en Inglés como lengua extranjera. Here today, I am going to show you a short summarized version on how we can apply, and what for uh, the tool Flipsnack. Okay, so I'm gonna start sharing my screen and you're going to see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I consider Flipsnack as a tool that allows us to create electronic notebooks. We can make all sorts of combinations from creating a lesson plan, or what we can do is that maybe we can digitalize the activities that our students have made, or we can also uh, use the tool for them to evidence a project that they have been working on. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna show you how to sign in. Once you go to flipsnack.com, what I usually do is that these are linked, are connected to all our accounts that we have. So in my case, I'm gonna try to open it using Google, and a couple of clicks is gonna take us to where we need to go. Okay. So here, for example, I have made different um, three different activities so far. So probably I can show you. This says, double click here. Um, Maybe what we can do is that I can share. I can click here and share. I can copy. And if I paste it here, maybe we're going to be able to see the creation that I have done regarding this. So this is what I was telling you. This is something that we can use to create our lesson plan, right? Maybe what we can do is also to give students how they're going to be evaluated, if we want to hand them a project, or if we want them to take a look at that unit that we're explaining. In this example here, I am opening in this moment. It's regarding a presentation of a topic that I was teaching some students. If I put it full screen, you're gonna be able to see it easier. Yes, this is a preparation for the preliminary test, which is the PET, which is a Cambridge exam that assess the level of proficiency of students and puts them into the framework to see how their skills regarding reading, speaking, writing, use of English, and listening are. So what I have done so far is that I have created previously a PDF. And in that PDF, what I have done is that I have uploaded it. Right now, I am signing out because I'm going to sign in with my work account, because I have the option here to show you from scratch how to do it. The reason why I didn't do that in the other account is because one of the downsides of this application is that if you are using it for free, you only have you have a limited amount of PDFs that you can create. Three is the maximum. So what I do here is that I upload my file. This is the way that I usually have used it. But you can also decide if you want to create one from scratch. Yes, you can get all the sizes, and you can decide if you want to do like a flyer, maybe like an infographic, or if you want to do a booklet or a presentation. So it is up to you to decide. I want to show you now how you can apply this during class. For example, we have created with our students some projects that they need to evidence. This is regarding a math class that both the math teacher and I handed the students, like something related to some of the subjects that they like uh, during their school online year, and like to state the reasons why and what they have worked on. So, for example, a student here decided to talk about measuring system, measuring units. He created all of this. He explained some of the topics. He was able to insert some GIFs, some pictures. Yes. This is another example of another student who did something similar. In this case, the student decided to talk about factoring cases. There's my name there, as you can see. He explained, he added some sound. I don't know. I'm going to share the sound now. He added some sound in order to flip the pages. So it creates and it recreates the style of book pages swapping when you're changing the pages, so it sounds similar. And he added some pictures out of his class. Yes, so students can basically use this tool as something that they want to present as a final product. Imagine that you're having a research project. In this case, we are working on eco-friendly homes. So from each subject, we decided to give them specific tasks that they needed to achieve in every subject. Here, they needed to create a poem regarding the topic. In social class, they needed to do something related to the laws that abide them. This is a mathematic activity where they needed to measure the size of the eco bricks, the weight of the eco bricks. In science, the type of recycling methods that we can use. And we decided to ask them to upload a video, but that is another thing here, that some of the um, options that maybe you can use for free are limited. So if we wanted to insert a video here on this presentation, they needed to upgrade it to premium. That means paying. So what we decided to do is give them the option of either uploading the video through a YouTube link or to put a QR code like they have done here. You can scan here and you can watch the video yourself for the global class as well, for our English video class as well. This is an example of one of students. This is another example of another student who did the same. Yes, una invitación al reciclaje from the science project, the sonnet for the poem, mathematics, the English video stating his position regarding how the EcoBrick project can help reduce the carbon footprint, for example. Yes. So as you can see, is a useful tool. You just have to decide which is the emphasis that you're gonna give it. Yes, you can decide to come up with a lesson plan, or you can tell students that as a final project of all the work that they have done so far during the trimester, they can evidence that work here. Okay, so it has been a pleasure. This is a very useful tool. I am very fond of it, and I hope that you have liked my presentation. Take care.